The administration is continuing efforts to get outbreaks of the coronavirus under control at several Kentucky prisons. As of today, there are 52 active cases in staff, 379 in inmates, and 8 deaths in the facilities. LEX 18's Catherine Collins explains the steps being taken to stop the spread and how family members of the inmates are reacting.
Governor Beshear says he feels for families worried about their incarcerated loved ones as the coronavirus pandemic continues.
Those with family members, and it's got to be really scary.
2 Kentucky prisons are now seeing rising case numbers. Justice and Public Safety Cabinet Secretary J. Michael Brown says a close eye needs to be kept on the Kentucky Correctional Institution for Women and Kentucky State Reformatory in Oldham County, where 18 staff and 190 inmates have tested positive.
We've had 4 deaths at KSR, and all 9 of those who are hospitaled are from the reformatory.
Governor Beshear says they're following the model set by Green River Correctional Facility, where an outbreak was stabilized by testing and separating inmates based on their test results and vulnerability to the virus. But he says there are challenges.
Some of our institutions means that we have to do that in wings. And that's not as good as separate buildings, but still we're using that overall, get everybody tested, sort them out, do the monitoring, and we believe it can and will stabilize once we go through that.
It's frustrating for people like this member of Kentucky inmate families, whose husband is an inmate at the Kentucky State Reformatory. She asked to remain anonymous for fear of retaliation against her husband for speaking out.
There's literally nothing we can do about their health care and how they're taken care of. And that's scary because this is really the first thing that's been totally out of our control as family members.
She says her husband was tested today, but she's concerned not enough is being done to stop the spread, and she worries staff may spread it between dorms.
They are our loved ones. They may have made mistakes, but they're human beings, and so it is important to get this under control.
Governor Beshear says his administration is committed to protecting inmates.
We care. And we are putting significant resources towards trying to address it.
Catherine Collins, LEX 18 News.